Welcome to Data Science Introduction and Practical Applications, a review of top trends and tools in data science. First, the methodology for this was a review of literature including multiple trends and tools, lists, and articles. These were compiled and summarized into top 5 categories. Tools were organized into 5 areas: data analysis, data warehousing, data visualization, machine learning, and social network analysis. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, or AI, trends. With the increased development and use of AI with algorithms, this trend will eliminate manual processes that kill time to develop insights. It will lead to widespread use across organizations and devices like phones. The ability to create AI programs will be more efficient. Increased access and ownership of data across organizations will require more data-savvy professionals. Professionals and managers will need to know how to interact with data scientists, as well as stay on top of the volume of data challenges and issues, along with complexity and data management costs. The trend of complexity and scale will cause new roles to emerge with data scientists, such as data plumbers or mongers, chief meaning officers, and computational decision engineers. Biologists and physicists will also transition into data scientists. There will also be a decrease in crash course or boot camp trained data scientists who knew enough to wing it in data science. Internet of Things, or IoT, sensor data, and real-time analytics. All forecasters see huge growth in the Internet of Things. By 2020, forecasts project 34 billion devices, up from 10 billion in 2015. Internet of Things devices will account for 24 billion, while traditional computing devices, smartphones, tablets, smartwatches will comprise 10 billion. Nearly 6 trillion will be spent on IoT, or Internet of Things, solutions over the next 5 years. Businesses will be the top adopters for Internet of Things solutions. Experts see 3 ways the Internet of Things can improve in businesses' bottom lines by lowering operating costs, increasing productivity, expanding to new markets, or developing new product offerings. Governments are focused on increasing productivity, decreasing costs, and improving their citizens' quality of life. This segment is projected to be the second largest to adopt IoT solutions and ecosystems. Consumers will lag behind businesses and governments in Internet of Things adoption. However, this segment will purchase a massive number of devices and invest a significant amount of money in the Internet of Things ecosystem. Organizations and businesses adopt data science. In 2016 will be the year when companies without solid data strategies will start to fall behind. The 2016 Dig Data motto will be, "We must create more value from data than we capture." Executives will not look at capturing maximum commercial value as possible from their information, but how they can create customer experiences. Database decisions will lead to new organizational structures. Enterprise, or invisible architecture, the backend, or omnibus, will link multiple systems complexity. Cyborg enterprises and large-scale techno-organizational decision programs will be ushered in. Analytics will be added in a variety of ways to enterprise software. Tools. Data analysis, there are 3 popular tools: the R software language, Python software language, and Julia, which is emerging as a possible replacement for R. The top data warehousing tools are MySQL, a very popular database language that's been around for a while, the lowly CSV file, which can be used for smaller data sets and test sets of data. Then at the high end, there's the Hive, Shark, and Redshift tools, which are used for large data sets. 4 tools that are popular for data visualization are Tableau, D3.js, Matplotlib, and ggplot2 for R. For machine learning, some popular tools are Skykit, which is a learned library that can be built on Hadoop, which is an open source programming format that supports processing and storage of extremely large data sets. Weka can be used for trying out standard algorithms on new data sets, but it's not great for scaling. Mahout Apache Software Foundation is helping to foster implementation of scalable machine learning algorithms focused primarily in areas of collaborative filtering, clustering, and classification. For social network analysis, there are 3 tools that we're going to look at. NetworkX, which has a good Python library for social network analysis. Stanford Network Analysis Distributed Project, and Apache Graph open source implementation of Google Prgl paper. Surprise! This is a chart of a survey of data scientists and the tools they use the most and the median salaries related to those tools. Guess what? The top tool is Windows, and number 3 is Excel. Thank you very much.